Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show to use Piktochart AI logo creator tool. Here you can type Piktochart AI. This one is the official website. You can go here and click sign up button. Now here you can see different options. You can generate images, infographic content, you can create different print designs, social media, presentation and documents. Let me select this one, logo generator, and here let me type generate logo for enable website design, web design company, and here you can select aspect ratio. Let me select this one, and here you can select the visual style, then click here generate AI logo. And within few seconds it will generate AI logo that we can add in our website, and also we can use this logo on social media platforms. So guys, here you can see logo is ready. You can simply download this file, as well as you can also insert into a page, then you can expand it. After that you can use these typography options, and you can change the position, as well as you can save it to the library. You can also duplicate it